We are back with another episode of Raggedy Box. Hopefully you guys can see me. Check to see if I look all right. Today's episode, what I would like to do is put in the carpet kit, which I have let sit out in the sun and hopefully it gets flattened out. So I want to try to put in the carpet kit. Let me pull this away real quick. Put in the carpet kit and maybe attempt to start putting in some interior. I kind of injured myself, so I can't really do too much bending and stretching. So if I start to feel a little funny, I might have to cut it and come back to it. But I know I would like to try to put in the carpet, maybe put in the seats. Remember, I'm wanting to not put the back seat and do a back seat delete. We'll maybe get to that later. But right now, I would like to at least put the steering wheel on there, which is the wood steering wheel that I got for it. I would like to put this on there and get the carpet in, screw down, and get everything nice and tight. Maybe even glue in some areas that if it needs that. And start prepping maybe the door panels. I can maybe do that, cut the holes out for the handles and so forth, and then go from there. I did get a new mod for the motor, I guess I can say. I don't know what company it is that has it. I know Magnuson has it's like a kit they have for their superchargers. They sell a dual nose setup for it. I just liked how it looked, so I went ahead and I got me a single port for my intake. So I didn't really like the filter that was actually on there before. I don't know. I put this on there, or at least I ordered it. I'm about to put it on there right now. I want to see what it looks like. I think it looks crazy. I think it's something that Raggedy Box actually needs. But we're gonna go ahead and go with that. And yeah, as you can see, I got my do dirt outfit on. I got my flip flops on. You know how I roll. And yeah, let's get started. Let me get this car lowered down real quick. What are we looking like? Make sure I ain't crushing nothing these days. It has happened. Give me a second, ladies and gentle dogs. All right, so we got it down. Let me drop the top on this bad boy and get to doing some dirt. I'm gonna put everything on time-lapse so I can blast some music and zone out and go from there. I know I gotta do some vacuuming and some prepping of the metal and so forth. I'm gonna go ahead and go with that and keep it moving. Let me get this top dropped, reset up the camera to a higher angle and go from there. I guess in the meantime, real quick, you guys, let me show you guys the motor, what I'm talking about. All right, I love how it looks. It's a little different, but I think this is what Raggedy Box needs. For those of you who remember, it was this guy, right? And it was sitting on there and it was just kind of coming down. I didn't like how that looked. Worst case, what I was going to do was shorten this pipe to maybe there, put the filter up to there, and just have it kind of coming down. But I wanted to look wild and crazy. I think this is perfect. Is it something that's good for the streets? Probably not. Is it something that you should have on there? I probably don't think so. But the fact that you can just, put your finger straight in there and all that crazy wild stuff, I love it. This is what I want to do. This is what I want to do with Raggedy Box. You know what I mean? If I sell it or raffle it or something else down the road, you can always put one of these pipes back on there. But I actually like the look of this. That was supposed to be chrome. I guess it is. It's like some type of a raw looking metal, polished looking thing. Drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think. I think it looks pretty cool. I wish it was a dual snout, that definitely would look cool, but I like that. So by the time I put my valve covers and serpentine kit, and actually, as a matter of fact, now that I'm speaking about that, the serpentine kit is done. I sent that off to Chrome. If you guys didn't check that video, make sure you go back and check it out. I need to go pick that up, put it back together, and start putting this motor together. So I'm trying for y'all, man. What I've been doing on these videos is, let me turn it around. So what I've been doing for y'all, man, is I just been pretty much stockpiling these videos. That way, bring this down a little bit. So basically, I kind of stay with content because before it was like going week to week or day by day, whatever I was doing. It was getting to the point where I was running out of stuff, and then that's when a new car would get introduced because I was looking for more content, and it just got a little crazy, man. I had to really just sit back and reset. Gotta apologize to y'all, man, for leaving y'all hanging. Not leaving y'all hanging. I tried to let y'all know in my last couple videos that things wasn't looking too sweet, man. But I got my head back on track. and I'm back in the game. I just need to refocus, man. So right now we're just working on Raggedy Box. Let's get this turned around and get on this interior. Get this done, man, and go to the next step. All right, so again, I'm gonna drop the top and go from there. Make sure I don't got nothing in the way. I still need to install this switch. Hey, does your box Chevy do that? You heard me? My Raggedy Box Chevy does that, you know what I'm saying? All right, let me readjust the camera and go with that. I have been hearing people saying that there's some copycats out in the game, that there's some other guys doing the same thing. It is what it is, man. I'm not mad about that kind of stuff no more. That stuff doesn't faze me anymore, man. People they've been copying me, man, for a long time, and nobody ever says my name. Say my name, say my name. Or in Drake's case, you can whisper my name. Either way. Let's see how we want to do this here. That look cool? Y'all like that view? Let's see if I can go up a little bit higher. Nope. Okay, so again, I'm gonna go ahead and go into time-lapse. You know what might be cooler is if I put it on the trunk. Ooh, that might be sick. Hold on, y'all. It's cool, right, box? I don't know, what do you think? What's that jump? Just fuck over and stuff. Dang, I don't know what to do. Let's see. It's kinda cool. This door opened. That's probably the best. Yeah, I like that. Let's roll with that. And again, I'm gonna go into time lapse. I'm gonna jam out, man, and do me. Enjoy. All right, as you can see, I don't know how long that was. It is hot. I'm going to call it quits here for this episode. We got the interior in. It's not bolted down tightly. I need to actually pull it out so I can cut some of the corners and it sounds funny, cut corners. So that I can actually cut some of the pieces around the corners and so forth and on the trim. Need to adjust a couple things before I actually tighten the seats down all the way. The back seat is not fully in all the way. I'm pretty much going to be taking that out, but I did want to at least have it in there for now so that I can get my space back in my garage. I am waiting on the back armrest, the front armrest, and the top part of the dash. When my man came all the way from Sacramento, he forgot to bring those pieces. In another video, again, this is your first video, or if you're watching this and so forth, I'll keep the back seat if I can find the inner door, it's not even door, inner panels for the back seat. I had a guy that was like, hey man, I got 2 sets that I was just kind of hoarding on. And we were supposed to meet up when he came to California, and I just never heard from him again, man. I don't know what's up with people these days, man. It's like, you guys just go mute. Like, it's like, just talk. Like, just be like, grown men that just go mute. Like I can't stand it. I don't know. I was just raised a little different. Like at least say something. Okay, you know, maybe later, or man, I decided to keep them. Tell me something. Don't just go completely ghost on me. Like you say you was gonna, you know, toss them to me and work it out, man. So no love lost. It is what it is, man. It's just it happens every day. I'm just so tired of people wasting time. So if you have those inner pieces, please holler at me. The way I can get them upholstered or whatnot. Then I can keep my back seat. If nobody comes forward and helps me as far as finding the inner pieces, then I'm going to delete the back seat and have it upholstered with this brown, just flatten it out, just go delete. I don't know, put a nitrous tank or something back there. I don't know, maybe some speakers. I don't know. For sure the front seats is going to be in here. Carpet laid down really nice. Couple places that after I get all the corners and so forth adjusted and I get it in there properly, I might lay some glue down underneath it. I have, you know, just simple stuff. Went to Home Depot. I got some of this Super Strength spray adhesive. I don't know if you can see this on the camera. Yes. Just spray that in a couple corners to get it to lay down. I'm not laying it now because I might actually come back and, you know, if I do want to come back and get some of the floors fixed, I don't want to have to worry about having to rip up that glue from the carpet. It lays down nice. Once I get the corners in there properly, throw down some floor mats, you will never know. So I probably might not even use that glue. But if I do, then it's just a couple little areas where I just want to lay a little bit tighter. We got the steering wheel on there tight now. Like I said, I'm waiting on dash pieces. Probably next episode, or most likely it's going to be the next episode because I think this one was kind of long with the time lapse. I'm going to work with the door panels, cut out the holes so the handles and so forth come through. If anyone has let me go get some. If anybody has these for a Cadillac, I don't know the year, so probably 88 through maybe 90, 91, where the door handle comes through and it has an extra piece at the end for the electric windows. If any of you guys have that, please holler at me, let me know. Let me make sure I'm still filming. Yes, but I feel like I moved a little bit. Oh. If you guys have that, because if not, this is the regular one, I think, for roll-up windows. I don't have roll-up windows. So if no one comes through on that, this is another thing that I said I was going to do. This car is raggedy. I'm going to go fully all out with the theme. If no one comes forward, then I'm just going to leave the wires hanging out like Redman on MTV Cribs. You know, just tap two wires together and your windows roll down. Again, the car is raggedy. This is not a frame-off showpiece. The theme of this car is from ashy to classy, right? Or from classy to ashy. I guess let's go backwards with that one, right? So again, tomorrow when I pull it out, part of the next episode, I have everything tightened up. I have the little corner pieces repainted. I got some extra carpet from the back. So pieces like this, where'd that piece go? This is a kick panel for the passenger side. Normally carpet goes in there, so you know I might just slap a little piece of carpet in there, measure it out, glue it up in there real nice so if you guys can see that. So that's a plus. There's none on this side. Yeah, so we are getting there. I definitely wanted to get the interior in there for you guys so that you guys can see it. And go from there. Let me put the top back up because I don't like when the top gets that wrinkle in it. I don't know, I'm just weird like that. It is gonna have that wrinkle no matter what, but it is what it is. Then I gotta find somewhere to put my remote. She's getting there, y'all. Again, y'all, sorry for the wait. I had to go find myself. I had to go clear my mind. Just had to get away for a little bit. I will get this car finished for y'all. I will update y'all with the 57 and whatever else I got that I promised y'all. I guess I'll go from there. Let me tighten this up before I forget. Look, I don't want to even step in here with the carpet yet. And that's that. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. hype, tell a friend, pay your homies to watch. I don't care what you got to do. That's if you like what I'm doing. You know what I mean? And we'll go from there on to the next episode. All right, something I almost forgot to show y'all is I started on the door panel. Remember I told y'all I was gonna get my red man on and just let it dangle. That's how we're rolling here at CB's car cribs. You know what I mean? We outside with wires dangling like red man. I told y'all, raggedy box. Something else that's it ended up being raggedy box is right here. I was actually gonna clean this up, make it smooth, and I was gonna make it nice and maybe wrap it in suede and stuff. And I sat back and looked at it and I was like, no, all those dents and scratches give it character. Let's leave it. I do have the strap. I think it goes like right up in here somewhere. I do have that strap. I think this is behind the door. I actually forgot to pull that in. But yeah. So there's the door panels. And I'll show you the other side. Again, got my red man going on. Got my wires just dangling. That's what I was saying. If y'all have the piece that goes there, again, this car was pieced together. So, you know, I don't know how stuff originally goes in these. I haven't had a box in a while. So, you know, if you're looking at it and you like my door handle, my window, whatchamacallit, doesn't look like that, then it is what it is. But that's how mine is, and that's how it's going to stay. It's going to be hanging if nobody comes through with some pieces. I'm okay with that. You know, I'm letting you know I'm doing it on purpose. I'm not going to get a headache trying to find this stuff no more. I do need, it's like padding that goes right here on the top of these. I'm assuming this is going to be Cadillac. No, this is Caprice. But that's weird that I don't have the window pieces. But if you guys have two-door padding that goes at the top of this or have a lead, let me know. A David Cali Boy, or I think I might have changed it. It might be Mind of CB. I don't know. I'm sure I'll tag it in here, whatever the final is. But there's a... Yeah, so this is the door panel again. You know, yes, it's wrinkly and wobbly, and it has, you know, some in and out pieces. Keep in mind again, y'all, this was my original door panel. My man said, let's just wrap that, man, and relieve the stress, man. Just get straight to the point. The moral of the story is to wrap it, right? Everything is one tone. It's one color now, you know, minus the backseat issue, but, you know, it's fine like that. It might even be fine without this, because I can still grab the door handle and close it. Like I said, I got the strap that goes right there. I might put that on and put the little knob on there, or I might just leave it. I don't know. But, you know, it's flowing with the theme of the car. And even myself, it starts to get away from me, and then I got to stop and say, hey, it's okay. You know, I was going to clean those up, and I was going to do some things to them, and then I had to sit back and tell myself, it's okay. Look at what you're building, right? So there's my door panels. Hope y'all like you.